Hello everyone, welcome to episode 2 of Blender Beginner series. In this video, we will be exploring Blender's layout. So the Blender's layout is divided into three main parts. The main 3D viewport, the outliner and the properties panel. The camera, the cube, the light or any other mesh which you will add in the scene will be shown in the 3D viewport. So the 3D viewport is basically the main area, the area where you are going to animate your model, sculpt your model and do rest of the settings. The outliner is the panel which shows the list of objects you have added in the scene. It is like a scene manager where you can hide or remove or organize your objects. Like in case we click on the I button here, now it will hide the cube. To unhide that, we will click on that again. That's how it's help us to manage. This is the properties panel, the area from where we can control the details of the object like its properties, its action, its location. We can render our object also from the properties panel. Let's take a quick example to see how all the three parts work together. Now let's delete all the default things in the 3D viewport and add a new mesh. By pressing Shift tail, let's add cube. Now add a camera. And now let's add a light, a point light. Three main setups has been added. Now let's check the outliner properties. Here all the three has been added by a default name, the camera, the cube and the point. We can always rename it by just double clicking on that. Now let's head down to the properties panel and add in subdivision surface modifier to the cube. That's all for today. We will be discussing all these three parts in more details in further videos.